Hi, good evening, and welcome to today's daily market summary. Today is Tuesday, July 29, 2025. And in case you're wondering what the NGX is, the NGX is the Nigerian equities market or the Nigerian exchange. So here's how today went. So far, it's an ongoing thing because we are in the middle of earnings season. So I've been updating these slides literally every 5 minutes as different companies drop results. But eventually, I had to, put a pause or draw a line to it so that the video goes out on time. So, all share index gained 2.03 percent today. Index measures average performance of stocks on the exchange. I know this might look like a tiny game, but it is major because if you recall, if you watched yesterday's video, the index went up 0.53% or so. So you had a big bounce, and I would attribute this big bounce to a bounce in the price of MTN Nigeria. MTN Nigeria is a big cap stock. So obviously, when you have a huge bounce in the price of MTN Nigeria, then you're going to have a huge bounce in the index. So top gainers for the day, Beggar Paints, HM Call, that is holding my call. Len Africa and Thomas Yat, they led the gainers, all appreciating by 10%. For the loser, the biggest loser for the day was Abe Mortgage Bank. I declined 10% to close at 7 naira and 20 kobo. In terms of most active stock by volume, Fidelity Bank continued to trade huge volumes. Yesterday, it traded over 100 million shares. Today as well, it's trading 111 million shares. So it was the most actively traded stock by volume. In terms of most actively traded stock by value, MTN Nigeria was the most actively traded stock by value with 3.5 billion naira worth of shares traded. In fact, I remember that I was looking at trading today. MTN Nigeria was on full bid, meaning you had lots of people who wanted to buy, but not a single share was offered. I think the results for MTN Nigeria should be out anytime from now. So it's possible that it's the enthusiasm over those numbers that has led to the bounce and the huge trades that you are seeing there. In terms of earnings filed so far, Transcore, eTransact, Industrial Medical Gases, as a firm formerly known as BOC Gases, Northern Nigeria Flour Mills, Names Insurance, FCMB Group, Total Energies Marketing, and ETI have filed earnings for the last quarter. In addition, Nigerian Breweries, Cadbury Nigeria, Chemical and Allied Products, you may know the firm RCAP, and Japan Gold all filed earnings for the last quarter. It is an ongoing period or process because it's earnings seasons. You're having more and more firms filing earnings for the quarter. Just in, since I'm looking at my phone, Suno Assurances also filed its earnings as well, and I'm sure there'll be more to come. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. As always, please note nothing I do or share or say is financial advice or trading advice. You have to figure that out on your own by doing your own research. Also, follow the Greenticker Tales podcast on Spotify, Apple, and YouTube Music. I had an episode out early this morning where I talked about just sit rep, as I call it, on the different companies in the palm oil sector, Como, Presco, and a bit on LLX as well. So to find out more about that, you can check the podcast, or you can check the Substack if you're not signed up. All the links are in my bio as well. So thank you for watching, and see you sometime tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. West African time, where I will be looking at the pre-market, my pre-market views for the day. So have a good day ahead, and stay well.